हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। से वीडियो रे हमें केतोटी एजुकेशन रिलेटेड न्यूज जानबा। देखंतु फर्स्ट वन, कनिष्ठ शिक्षकों दरमा 50% वृद्धि। कनिष्ठ शिक्षकों दरमा 9200 रु 13800 टंका पर्यंत वृद्धि। तेबे उपकृत हे 33038 शिक्षक। देखंतु आर्टिकल फॉर समाज 2022 जनवरी पहला रु एही वर्धित दरमा कार्यकारी हेबो। निष्पत्ति अनुसार चुक्तिभित्तिक कनिष्ठ शिक्षक मान वर्तमान दरमा 7400 टंका थिबा बेले यह 11000 टंका को वृद्धि पाई। सेहीपरि कनिष्ठ शिक्षक मान दरमा 9200 टंका थिबा बेले यह 13800 टंका को वृद्धि पाई। राज्य रे देखंतु 13324 जन चुक्तिभित्तिक कनिष्ठ शिक्षक उपकृत हेबा बेले 19714 कनिष्ठ शिक्षक उपकृत हेबे। देखंतु नेक्स्ट वन, देखंतु सब्जेक्ट सेक्शन ऑफ डीए 3% enhancing the existing rate from 28 to 31 with effect from 1st July 2021 in favor of state government employee drawing pay in revised scale pay 2070. Government of India, Ministry of Finance Department expenditures in the office memorandum have enhanced DA payable to the central government employee from existing 28% to 31% with effect from 1st July 2020. In continuation to Finance Department and considering the overall finance resource and fiscal target stipulated under Odisha Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2005, the state government have been pleased to release additional dose of DA 3% enhancing the same from the existing rate of 28 to 31 on the basic pay with effect from 1st July in favor of state government employees covered under ORSP Rules 2017. The additional dose of DA 3% on the basic pay with effect from 1st July and the manner of payment to the state government employee as above is also applicable to the following category of employees covered under ORSP Rules 2017. All Indian service officers serving in the affairs of the state government for which GA and PG department will issue orders separately. Work charge employees drawing in regular scale of pay under ORSP Rules 2017. Teaching and non-teaching staff of daily aided government education institution, those are covered under ORSP Rules 2017. The non-teaching staff of universities who are in receipt a regular scale of pay and covered under ORSP for whom the state government is bearing full salary cost. This also includes teachers of university who enjoy AICT and UGC scale under ORSP College Teacher Rules 2019. DA in accordance with the memorandum will also be admissible to the state government employees who are in service of 1st July 2021 but have ceased to be in service at the time of sections of DA as per the revised scale pay. The additional dose of DA will be paid in cash and can be drawn in pay bill January 2022 and onwards. Arrear from the month of July 2021 to December 2021 on account of the enhanced DA shall not be drawn before the date of disbursement of salary January 2022. The bill for drawal of DA as per the revised scale of pay will be submitted to all treasury, special treasury, sub-treasury along with the pay bill for the month of January 2022 and onwards. The term basic pay in the revised pay structure means the pay drawn in the prescribed level in the pay matrix but does not include any other types of pay like special pay. The payment on the account of DA involving fraction of 50 paise and above may be rounded to the next higher rupee and the fraction of less than 50 paise may be ignored. Then next, प्रथम रु पंचम श्रेणी गृह शिक्षा पे आंदोलन करिवो ISF. ओके, देखंतु नेक्स्ट आज 15 रु 18 वर्ष पिलांकु टीका 2007 सुधा जन्म होता छात्र छात्री टीकाकरण अंतर्भुक्त हेबे। थैंक यू।